Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Jannahtunnisa Binti Jumaat. Will explain about our company's mission, vision and value proposition. Our mission is to provide a healthy and ethical fish feeders product to our clients. We operate on the basis of strong relationship not just with our employees but also with our customers and suppliers. We also believe that it is critical for our organization to participate in sustainable and socially responsible activities. This method ensures that nature and our environment are well cared for. We attempt to do this by only promoting sustainably caught or farm fish and fish products that have been prepared, packed, stored and distributed with the highest care and under optimal hygienic circumstances. To this purpose, AQUA GATE only works with reputable fishing industry and fishing industry partners from throughout the world. Next is our vision is to achieve sustainability and make a difference for our fishery industries. There is a growing demand for high quality fish in a world with limited natural resources and a growing population. We are market leader in offering innovative and long-term nutritional solutions that help fish function at their best. The feed-to-food chain is incomplete without AQUA GATE. We use our understanding of ingredient and the nutritional demands of fish to provide procedures with the most value from limited natural resources. We have a world-class innovation and technical capabilities to back us up in this position. Lastly, our value proposition is that we make this product for people who work in fishery industries, especially for fish farmers. Thank you.
Okay, for the problem statement, fish feeding gives us many advantages when using them. Usually, if an employee working in the fishery industry will face problems such as rapid fatigue, as it requires a lot of energy to move the hand to feed fish. But using manual feeding does not really help in the work, because the feeding work they use is very difficult and require a lot of energy. And using fish feeder is not only help worker to reduce fatigue, but also help reduce the burden of worker to feed fish. Additionally, it reduces the cost of spending to pay employees' wages. The next problem is that usually a worker always face in the industry is to work with moving object. When an object moves, it may cause a threat to an employee when the employee needs to be nearby or touch it. Example like working in the fishery company. When employees want to feed fish, it takes quite a while and the fish ponds are too much. This causes the employee to feel tired quickly, and by using the fish feeder, it can help solve this problem. So why we are creating this automatic fish feeder? First, it is because nowadays in industrial, we still use manpower to feed the fish. This causes a lot of energy to be done by someone. Second, the delay to feed the fish. This is because industrial workers are given a lot of work at a time and are forced to postpone work because of the many work to be done. So we want to produce a machine to feed the fish automatically by using the timer system. This timer system really helps someone in doing something. On the machine, it will be the time to feed the fish. And the third one is each machine must use electricity. Again, many processes are done, so much electricity to use. So, by using a solar system, it can help reduce electricity. Our automatic fish feeder is connecting by using battery, direct current and indirect current. So the solar system can be used to generate electricity, and electric energy is used to move the machine to feed the fish.
Okay, now let's talk about the target market and opportunity for automatic fish feeder. So basically, our company focus is to create the product that is useful and more organized to feed fish, and also reduce fatigue of workers or customers for feeding it. We are using concentration strategy for our market segmentation that only focus to one market segment. It enables the organization to analyze the needs and wants of one segment and then focus all its efforts on that segment only. Like our product, we are focusing for aquaculture sector. Next, our target market is for single market, which is to the aquaculture sector, and for those who their hobby is to farm fish, that they are called as a fish keeper. The reason why customer must buy our product is because it's safe on electricity consumption with solar power, which is intended to charge the battery for use at night. Other than that, it is designed for more section distribution to spread the fish food. It not focuses on one pond, but it can rotate 360 degrees. Moreover, the price much more affordable for aquaculture industry who have a lot of ponds, and it can save time of workers. Okay, now I will pass to the next presenter.
Hello, today I would like to present our product, which is called AQUA GATE. AQUA GATE is an automatic fish feeder, which are the combination of mechanical system and electrical system. This automatic fish feeder is equipped with a container which can fit large portion of foods up to 500 ml. The function of the product is to help the fish pond owner to control their fish feeding activity. At the same time, help to reduce the waste fish pellet during the feeding time, resulting from poor dissemination of fish pellets. This smart device can connect with Wi-Fi and it can be controlled using the apps installed in the smartphone. This automatic fish feeder is connecting by using battery, direct current and indirect currents. We can also run the feeder using solar energy in order to help them reduce the operating costs. Our product is using high-tech controller in order to function properly. The controller boards include a total flash memory of 32 kilobytes used for storing information. How to use this product? This is new technology developed by our company to help our customer to feed the fish automatically at predetermined time. They do not need to use the traditional way, which require a lot of energy and many manpowers. They can even set the amount of fish pellet to feed the fish and how many times per day as they want by using their phone only. This smart device also can help them to maintain the growth of the fish and the feeding activity more efficiently. Our product also can be categorized as green technology because it can be operated using solar energy, hence our customer can reduce the cost to maintain the pond. This product is suited for ponds who have large fish stock that are tough to maintain with normal feeding. Auto feeders assist them to maintain a healthier eating routine without having to be present physically. We also want to help to reduce food waste, therefore water quality can be maintained easily. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, moving on to the financial. Our capital that we need to start up this business is RM279,700. The cost is incurred remuneration, machine, utilities, rental, raw material, transport, and maintenance. The cost to produce one unit is RM1,398.50 and we decided to sell one unit for RM2,000. We target to produce 2,000 units. The cost of goods sold is RM279,700 and our target sale is RM400,000. So the revenues is RM120,300. For the gross profit margin, we calculate using this formula and we get 30% and 30% from RM400,000 is RM120,000. Next, we also have prepared contingency plan as a backup for our business, such as increase our sale. We will achieve more customer by giving them discount or free gift, and we do television advertisement, which allow us to showcase our business product with a wide audience. However, failure is not what I visit for. We believe that our company will succeed in selling our product. Thank you.
Next, investment and use of funds. As you can see, our finance department have prepared a sources and uses of funds statement to properly show how the fund will be used. First of all, facility cost RM94,500, equipment and vehicle RM250,000, supplies and advertising RM41,250, other startup costs RM40,000, and the total amount of it will be RM415,750. And the working capital that will be required is RM100,000. And the total uses of funds that we need will be RM450,750. So for the sources of funds, we have owner collateral IRA, which is RM50,000, owner savings up to RM20,000, home equity the same amount RM20,000, which the total collateral will be RM90,000. So after we minus the total usage of fund with the total collateral, we will get RM425,750 as the total to be financed. So, why should you invest in our business? First of all, we have a solid business plans that fits the business need. Realistic, which means it can be implemented. Specific, which means that every details on how we want to achieve the plans are stated in the business plan. Clearly defines responsibilities for implementation, clearly identifies assumptions, communicated to the people who have to run it, gets people committed, since without an interesting business plan, it is almost impossible for everyone to be committed to it. And lastly, kept alive by follow-up and planning process, which means we don't just let it that way, but instead we try to improve it. A strong leadership in the team. To improve our business, our management has made sure that we only recruit people with a great mindset to become the leader in a team. Chance to involve in an innovative business idea. For an investor, it's not always every day that you can find such idea to invest in. After that, a good product market fit. Our marketing department have done a test to make sure that our product can be sold and can fit into the market without any problem. And lastly, commitment in improvising our product. This means that we improve our product by using materials that are very expensive just to make sure that the quality are good enough. That's all for now. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you.